Oh my God. Holy vegan cannoli, everybody. I'm Lauren Toyota. I'm the author of this brand new cookbook, Vegan Comfort Classics, 101 Recipes to Feed Your Face. It's out in the world. It's crazy. It came out yesterday and I'm so busy. I obviously shot this ahead of time, knowing I would be so busy and not able to cook for you this week. However, I know you're busy cooking from this cookbook, all of the brand new recipes from Hot for Food that you won't see anywhere else. So I hope you've got your copy, and if not, order it now. It's linked below. You can buy it worldwide on your favorite retailer's website or go to any bookstore wherever books are sold. Okay, so I just wanted to kind of like say hi. Thank you for ordering the book. It's so crazy. I can't believe it. And I'm also hitting the road soon to go on the Hot for Food book tour. As you already know, I'll be hitting up New York City, Philly, Los Angeles, and San Diego, hosting meetups to hang out with all the Hot for Foodies, and I'm so stoked. If you live in any of those cities or you feel like going on a road trip, check the link below, hotforfoodblog.com/book tour for all the dates and venues, and RSVP if you're coming, because we kind of want to know like who's gonna show up, how many people are gonna show up, are 10 people gonna show up, or like 1,000 people are gonna show up. I literally have no idea. It's gonna be so exciting. And the whole inspiration really of Hot for Food and what I do and the vegan food that you see is about feeding your face. That's why it's called 101 Recipes to Feed Your Face. I'm obsessed with eating. I love watching people eat. I love looking at it, listening to it. I love when people talk and eat at the same time. And like, you probably know that by now because that's exactly what I do all the time. Now I think it only annoys like a fraction of you. Anyone that it does annoy is already gone, so bye y'all. But anyone who enjoys that as much as I do, I know you're here and you're devoted and you're loving it, so thank you. So to celebrate the release of the Hot for Food cookbook, I present to you the best feed your face moments from Hot for Food. Holy you're gonna die. Carbs. Drunk already. 2 drinks. Oops. I like that. Mmm. 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 I'm addicted. Mmm. Oh yeah. Mm-hmm. Mmm. Mmm. Okay. I'm gonna stop talking and start feeding my face. Bye.